Hello guys, what's up? This is His for After Effects tutorial channel, and here is another very exciting tutorial how to create and subscribe motion graphics by Saber Light in After Effects. Let's start. Here is Adobe After Effects. Create a new project, create a new composition, and now right here subscribe, press enter. So now time to import the idea. There is a lot of subscribe design idea. Save it and go to desktop, select subscribe. So press now S, scale down the size, turn on title action save area, move it center, select, press T down the opacity and lock the layers, fit your screen. Right click, create a new solid. So make comp size right here, play icon, white color, press OK, turn off, select the pen tool and zoom in. One click, here another one, and second click. Just take a look. The easy way, start from here, here, and here. Close. And now time to save the project. One, save. Right here, subscribe, Ctrl A, turn off the caps lock key and scale up the size. Select a simple font, subscribe, simple font, move it down and make space between your text, find the space, here. So select the background and turn off the sample photo. And now time to turn on all layers. Here is the blue, so you must close the blue frame from here. And now select play icon, go to effects, video copilot, Saber Light, and go to customize core, select layer mask. So turn off all of these layers and make animation first. But how? Go to start offset, go to second one, stopwatch, go to 15 frame, second one 15 frame, and now time to frame, go to effects, Saber, and go to customize core, layer mask, and change the color to rose. Press Ctrl slowly down and turn on the mode, select add. So control the sprayed one, bias like this, little bit make bias, and make animation for this one. After 15 frame, select frame layer and go to start offset, stopwatch, go to 2 seconds, play now, press U for the keyframes starting from second 1, go to second 2, or you can make animation in second 3, press U, second 1, second 2 for smooth animation. Okay, and now time to blue light, Saber light, and go to customize core, select layer mask, press Ctrl slowly down and change to add, press Ctrl, change the bias, sprayed and bias. And now go to second 2, stopwatch, go to second 4. In 2 seconds you must animate the start offset, stopwatch, go to second 4 here, press U, start all of them in one time like this. And now time to animate subscribe. So create another new solid right here, title, light, go to effects, video copilot, Saber light, save your project, and go to customize core, title layer, text layer, select your text subscribe, turn off subscribe title, select title, move it down, change the color to red, more down. Okay, come to second 1, animate start offset, stopwatch, go to second 3 here, select all of them, press U, go to second 4, don't forget end of the keys, select easy ease for smooth ending, easy ease and easy ease. Then come to mode, select title layer, mode change to add, and now play. Here is the subscribe, just need one background for this, and select the blue light, down the intensity, press Ctrl, down the light, and select subscribe, title, go to flicker, make sometime flicker like this, and sometime flicker for this, and sometime flicker for play button for this. Okay, now time to import the background. Double click in project and select a wall background, drop to composition and press S, scale up the size and move it down here. So right click, create a new solid, make it dark right here, dark solid, select ellipse, double click, move dark solid top of the brakes and press M, invert it, press M, make a feather like this. Select again, Ctrl Shift Y, need more dark, press OK. Here it is. And now time to animate. Let's render final result. Let's animate the background. Double click, close dark layer and select the brakes background. So press N, make a feather. So after 1 second, stopwatch, go to second 3, the background make bright, wet, text or Saber light animation, make brighter and select the dark solid here. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Here is Saber light subscribe animation. See you next time.